This is the third and final episode, and here we'll create a custom form element with the help of ChatGPT. For this tutorial, I have created ChatGPT folder and two files, index.html and style.css. In index.html, I have imported Google font and style.css. Now, let's get started by adding radio button. So open ChatGPT. In the message box, you can add I need custom radio button for male and female using HTML and CSS. It is now generating the HTML and CSS code for us. You can copy this HTML code and add them inside div class box. Let's also add a div with a class block, so it will have the margin bottom. You can then paste the code, also copy the CSS and paste them under style.css. Once done, check the preview and you can see a custom radio button. Now let's add custom checkbox. So in ChatGPT, you can type I need custom checkbox for football, tennis and basketball. Again, it is generating the code for us. Let's start by copying the HTML code. Let's add them after the div class block. Also add another div with a class block. Paste your HTML code. Also copy the CSS and paste them under style.css. Once done, check the preview and we can see the custom checkbox is working. Now let's add some input search. So in ChatGPT, you can type I need input search. It is generating label, input and button, but we only need input, so only copy what is required. Again, go back to your code editor, add a div tag with a class block. You can paste your input. Also from the CSS, only copy input type text and paste them under style.css. Once done, check the preview and we can see our input search over here. Now let's add switch with some agreement text. So in ChatGPT, you can type I need switch with agreement text. Copy the HTML code and add them in new div with a class block. Then copy the CSS code and add them under style.css. Check the preview and we can see a switch over here, but you can also see a checkbox over here. This is not good. Sometimes ChatGPT is not perfect, so we have to manually edit the code. So all we need to do is in input checkbox, we have to say display none and it's gone. Also, when it's on, we have to add some background. Even this one is missing in ChatGPT. So in the switch class name, when the checkbox is checked, we have to apply the blue background color. So the code would look something like this. Check the preview, and this time it is working as expected. Now let's add the submit button. So you can type I need submit button. Again, let's wait for the code. Copy the HTML code and paste them in a div tag with the class block. Then copy the CSS code and paste them under style.css. Once done, check the side and we can see a submit button as well. Now everything is working as expected. Great. This is the end of this finalization. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn ChatGPT for web development. I will see you again next time with the next course.